AI video generation is evolving so fast that tools like Sora now have serious competition, and this new VEO 3.1 workflow is completely changing the game. Start by opening Google Chrome and searching for Flow, then open the first link and click on the Start Now button to access the generator. Once you're inside, head over to the prompt box and describe the exact type of video you want to create. You can be as detailed as possible by mentioning the scene, characters, camera movement, lighting, environment, cinematic style, and overall mood. The more detailed your prompt is, the more realistic and accurate the generated video will look. After writing your prompt, go into the Settings section and select the video mode. From there, you can customize options like aspect ratio, video style, and output preferences, depending on whether you're creating content for YouTube, Reels, Shorts, or cinematic projects. Then switch the model version to VEO 3.1 Fast, which helps generate high-quality videos much faster while still maintaining strong visual quality. Once everything is ready, click on the Submit button and let the AI process your request. Within a short time, the platform automatically generates your video with smooth visuals and realistic motion. After the video is ready, preview the final output, then simply download it and use it for your content, social media, or creative projects. This AI workflow makes professional video generation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before.